Yes. Welcome back, guys. Yes, Mr. Django. How are you guys everywhere you are? Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Please subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Please subscribe. So, guys, without wasting your time, today we are going to make Amapiano again. So, I upload my videos every time, almost all the time. So, guys, I'm asking you to subscribe for me, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, Mr. Django. So let me start this beat. On this beat, it's Amapiano. So on Amapiano, you must make what you can do. You make sure your tempo is starting from 110, 11, and 12, and 13, and 14. So this tempo is 112, guys. 112, guys. That is my tempo on this beat. So you can make your beat depend how you make it, guys. So let me show you what I'm doing on this beat and what I do on this beat. So thanks you for watching, guys. Without wasting your time, let me start. So the first pattern I do for that drum patterns, that is this. That is the first one, guys. So you see, the first one is a kick. Yeah, Amapiano, you just put one and you step, you jump three and you put another one. So that is the kick, 707 kick, and that is the master kick. You copy this one and you come and paste here. So I have this one. You can see what I do. So those things it's like depend how you make your beat, but yes, what I make in the first pattern. So let me show you. Here's the shaker that I make with my manual. I didn't take that one for already shaker loops. I make with yes, I make out. You see, here's it. So you can copy and put. That is the first. The second one is shaker. Then number 3, I have this one that is make boom boom. Yes, and I hope you know Amapiano have this thing. Yes, that is, come on purity and you check here. Yes, done. Then number 4, I have that slow sense, that deep blue C. Yes, that deep blue C. That is for melody, guys. That is melody, guys. Just to make something sweet. Then number 5, I have this one. That is purity again. Lead and sense on number 1. So you can do whatever is your design. You put something to make a beat sounding so sweet and clear and nice. Then another number 5, I have morphine. Yes, the morphine. I put another something like that one. You see? So guys, make sure you just check properly what I'm telling you. It's so easy, guys. So then on this one, that is number 5. That one is number 6 that I show you, but it's the first one. Is the on the first one, that on when you lay your song is the first. It depends how you make your beat. Then we have number 7. Number 7 is log drum. You see? That is log drum. You can copy what I do. You can copy. This is log drum. If you're using your phone, you can't hear this thing. You can use a big speakers or headphones or earphones. Yes. So we have number 7. You make like this. Then you go pattern 8. I have this one. the rise. That is rise, this one. And crunch, this one. That is rise. See, two of them. You see, that we use on the changing. Then number nine, I have another shaker. So those shakers sounding so sweet and nice. You hear? Yes. That is nice. Yes. Then another one, number 10. That is same log drum that I show you. You just copy that one and come and paste it. But this one are down on the C4, on the that is what you call it. This one. Yes, on the 4, C4. Yes, that one it was on the 5 here, and go up. This one is on the 4 to make our bass strong. Yes. Then we go on the number 11. Yes, same beat, but this one you see is under 5. So the first one was on 5, the second one it was on 4, this one the third one on the under 5. But it's the same, they're sounding same to make our beat strong. Ne? Yes. This beat you can get on this bass, you can get on E flute to make your bass strong. You go on E flute, then you put you can go on the DX10, then you put E flute. Yes, it E flute. Yes. Then you can go on number 12. Here's another morphine. You see, it's called number 2. That is morphine. I hope you know about this sound always. You know about this sound always. Yes, on Amapiano. Yes. That is so nice and easy, guys. Then you go on the 13, guys. I have this thing. Yes. It's this one. You see how I put it? It's just step. Yes. So nice, guys. Then here you have that one on the. Then it's same thing. We have it, but different space. You see, here and here. So yes, and pattern 15. I have a second log drum. That one. You see, you can copy and you see what I do. Yes, it, guys. Yes, guys. You can copy and you see on the second is that the second verse that we used on. You use this bass, guys. Yes. I think it's finished. All patterns. It's 15 patterns, guys. Then I'll show you how I lay these things. You see? Yes, it. How I lay this thing, guys. Yes, it. You see that pattern I was talking about, pattern 6, the first pattern. Yes, it. Let me play. Yes, it. And you see this pattern 9. Yes, it. Yes, it. You see that rise. So here's my beat, guys. Here's Amapiano beat that I finish. I teach you everything. So I will show you what you can do. Then let me play, and you can see what it was moving and how it was. Let's go, guys. I will show you. Let's go, and you see what I'm talking, guys. Yes, let's go. Yes, that is so nice. Yes. Yes, so nice, guys. Yes, you show this bass that I was talking. You see, it's same, but it's 3 bass to make your bass strong. You see, this one. Yes. 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 So nice, guys. Yes. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe, guys. And share, guys. Share with your friends, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, guys. Yes, the beat. Complete beat, guys. Complete, guys. Complete. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next tutorial, guys. Don't forget to like and share. Please subscribe. Subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I love you. I love you. I love you.